vengeance has won my battle for me. God of miracles has won my battle for me. God of vengeance has won my battle. God of miracles has won my battle. Who are you? I'm a winner man. I'm a winner man. Has won my battle. I'm a winner man. I'm a winner man. Has won my battle for me. I'm a winner man. I'm a winner man. Has won my battle for me. One, 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 eh. One, 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 one. One, 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 one. One, eh. One, 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 one. One, 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 one. One, eh. One, 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 one. He entered here, he took the key, he gave me home, I'm free. He entered here, he took the key, he gave me home, I'm free. He entered here, he took the key, he gave me home, I'm free. God of vengeance, when my Alright guys, that's a kind of breakdown of God of Vengeance by GUC. Alright, so I'm going to start by showing you the intro of the song. We are playing the key of C, alright? Originally the song is in F. So we'll break it down in C. So I'm starting with the intro of the song. Alright, bam, 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 bam. Alright, so it's F, alright. Fa, we are taking sofa notation. Fa, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Alright, fa, mi, do, fa, sol. Alright, fa, mi, do, sol. Alright, now you play the one with your left hand. Fa, mi, do, sol. I do it slowly. Fa, mi, do, sol. Right, fa, the second time, fa, mi, do, la. All right, then you play la with, right, la with your left hand. That's A and E. Normally I'm supposed to add another la. Since my right hand is accompanying or completing it, then it's okay. I do it again. Fa, mi, do, sol. Fa, mi, do, la. Fa, mi, do, la. Alright, do, la. Okay, so you do it again the second time. So, fa, mi, do, sol. Fa, mi, do, la. Again. Fa, mi, do, sol. Fa, mi, do, la. Fa, mi, do, sol. This time around to go to the 6. Alright. Alright. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do. Voila. So, la. Do, re, mi, re, do, so, la. Alright, so that's all about it. So that's what I was playing. Now, God of vengeance has won my battle for me. Alright, so the next when you do the last time to get to the 6, you start immediately with the song. God of vengeance. So the chord progression of the song is the 6, A minor. Right, we go to F major. Alright, then C major, or go to the 5. That's G major. That's all. Alright, I take it slowly. 6, 4, and 1 and 5. 6, 6, 4, and 1 and 5. Alright. God of vengeance has won my battle. Alright, so everything that was adding was just spicing and making the melody to be beautiful with the 7 and the sus suspended 2. Alright. God of vengeance, 1, 4, and 1 and 5 and 6. God of miracles, and 1 and 6. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 8. Alright, so all the song has the same chord progression. This is what I have for you today. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.